All right, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. It's an actual lens that you can set up on cameras, but the basic thing I got it for is because I'm gonna put it on the PTZ camera. I also got it for my Canon camera. That's another way too. So if it fits on this one, this lens is gonna fit also on another one. So I got it for two reasons because I'm gonna do streaming outdoors, and unfortunately the PTZ cameras does not have a good returning towards the sun or flare or anything like that. It looks very blurry sometimes, and it's hard to focus on a PTZ camera. So, but if you add a filter, you shouldn't have any issues. And I tested it out already, and it does work. And we are going to do an outside test in another time. But today, I'm just going to demo how much you can see through. You guys can see that. So right now, it's super dark, but the thing I got it was because of this. Not a lot. Some of the lenses you got to twist it, but on this one you have to actually just turn this knob here, turn both of them on. I didn't want to touch it, but look at this. You can see through now from before, and you can see the actual. There it is. It's perfect. So if I want to go back, lock it in place. Look at that. It's dark. So it's not completely dark a filter, but it does enough the job where the sun's gonna not gonna be a problem with the actual lens. So you got to be careful on it, right? And this is the actual lens on it. This is a large zoom in, and this is the lens I'm gonna be using for the Canon, right? Here's the actual camera, right? And we're gonna see how much dark it gets. Here it goes. There it is. So that's dark. That's completely dark. Let me see if I can focus in. That's the dark lens, all right? And I'm gonna open it up. Sorry, I have to put my fingers in there. So let me see if I can open it up. And that's the lens right there. Try not to focus, and this is the darkest it goes, which is not bad. And that's let me stand up in front of the light. We're gonna pretend we're doing a sunshot, all right? And I got the actual light over me. That's how bright it is. Light, see the light? And the camera's working too, also too. It does its job. Focus, but you can see the light there. You guys can see. Let me see if I go do the light. So there's the light. You can see details. And I'm gonna open it up. Right now I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see it. That's super bright right there. That's the dark. The capture is pretty good in a focus, but this is a Canon, but we're gonna use it for a PTZ camera. Simple little process just to show you guys on my Canon camera how it works. Works flawless. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.